everyone, welcome to my channel, The Makeover Mom. In this video I'm going to be going over this super cute Valentine's Day party table that I put together for Valentine's Day coming up. If you'd like to see more photos or get more details on how to recreate this look, go ahead and head over to my blog, themakeovermom.com. The link to this post is in the description box. So the theme for this event was You're a Gem, Sweetheart. And for those who don't know what Valentine's Day is, it's basically Valentine's Day for your besties. So if you guys are single this year or just want to celebrate with the friends in your life, this is a super cute way to do it. Alright, so let's get into the details. So Oriental Trading was kind enough to let me choose a couple items to feature for this project, so make sure to check out the links below if you like any of the products you see. This letterboard was one of those items. It is really large, unlike some other boards I've purchased before, and really great quality. You can also get it in different wood color options. I just chose the simple black frame so I can reuse it again for any theme. I also plan to spray paint the letters pink or lavender but didn't get time to, so if you guys want to take that extra step, it would be really cute. Next, I just put some teal chocolate candies in a mini apothecary jar without the lid and stuck in some gold diamond food picks, also from Oriental Trading. This pink heart block I bought from the Target dollar spot for only $3, and I used it as a base for the cupcakes. I also picked up these super cute diamond garlands for the same price that I hung up just using some gold washi tape. Simple and easy, and this gold gem decor piece I got from the 99-cent store. I love these purple stemmed glasses. They have so many colors to choose from, and I placed them with these diamond shaped favor containers filled with candy, which are actually from their wedding line. And then topped off the glasses with these metallic heart paper straws. I used feather boas from the Dollar Tree along the back of the table and finished off the table with some rock candy lollipops I placed in a jar just to keep the gem theme going. These cupcakes were from my local grocery store, and this white cake and gold leaf pyramid candies you see both came from Confection Deception, so they are actually fake. So crazy, right? Lastly, I just pasted a couple of these gem-shaped paper lanterns on the floor and used Scotch adhesive dots to secure the rest partially open to the wall to make a sort of backdrop. I wanted to put a lot more up, but I ran out of the adhesive after 3. A whole wall of these would have looked so amazing though. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what your favorite product was, or if you guys are planning on celebrating Valentine's Day this year. You can visit my blog for more party ideas and inspiration, and make sure to hit the notification bell so you can get updated when I post new videos.